Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing the top confidence building tips for virtual reality success. Tip number 1, practice makes perfect. Just like with anything else, the more you practice using VR, the more comfortable and confident you'll become. Start with simpler experiences and gradually work your way up to more challenging ones. Tip number 2, embrace the virtual environment. Remember, it's all about suspending your disbelief and fully immersing yourself in the world of VR. Let go of any self-consciousness and allow yourself to fully engage with the experience. So there you have it, the top confidence building tips for virtual reality success. With a little practice and a positive mindset, you can conquer any virtual world that comes your way. Uplifting ending sentence. So go ahead, strap on that headset and let your confidence soar in the world of virtual reality. Friendly feminine introduction sentence. Welcome to our channel, where we showcase the incredible transformations happening in the world of blockchain. Main story point 1. Watch as these experts fearlessly challenge the status quo and break new ground in the world of finance and technology. Main story point 2. See how their dedication and expertise are paving the way for a future where blockchain revolutionizes industries and empowers individuals worldwide. Uplifting ending sentence. Join us on this exciting journey as we witness the power of confidence and expertise in transforming routines for blockchain success. Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered what happens when 3D printing goes wrong? Well, today we are about to find out. It can be quite a headache when your 3D printer doesn't cooperate. From misaligned prints to nozzle clogs, there are various challenges that can arise. But fear not, as these mishaps can often be fixed with a little patience and know-how. Main story point 1. One common issue in 3D printing is overheating, which can lead to melted or warped prints. Ensuring proper cooling and ventilation is essential to prevent. Hey there, fellow creators. Are you looking to boost your confidence in 3D printing? Well, you're in the right place. Tip number 1, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment with different designs and settings on your 3D printer. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in your abilities. Tip number 2, join a 3D printing community online or in your local area. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who share your passion for 3D printing can provide valuable support and guidance. Remember, confidence is key when it comes to 3D printing. With a little practice and support, you'll be amazed at what you can create. So go ahead, unleash your creativity and watch your confidence soar. Uplifting ending sentence. Keep on printing and believing in yourself. Hey there, fellow blockchain enthusiasts. Today, let's talk about the importance of routine for success in the world of blockchain technology. First and foremost, routine helps you stay organized and on track with your blockchain endeavors. By setting aside dedicated time each day for studying, researching, and working on projects, you can ensure consistent progress towards your goals. Secondly, routine breeds discipline, which is crucial in the fast-paced and ever-evolving blockchain industry. By following a set schedule and sticking to it, you develop the focus and determination needed to navigate through challenges and seize opportunities that come your way. In conclusion, establishing a routine is key to achieving success in the world of blockchain. So, make sure to carve out time in your day for all things blockchain related, and watch as your knowledge and expertise in this exciting field grow exponentially. Remember, consistency is key. Keep up the great work, and happy blockchain NG.